Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the primary Netflix account and selecting the profile you'll configure. Once signed in, navigate straight to Settings, then Playback and Downloads to set default streaming quality and auto-download rules. This controls bandwidth and storage. Make sure the target device's OS and Netflix app are updated, and run a quick network speed check. HD needs roughly 5 Mbps. Doing these first actions prevents common playback issues and prepares the device for the detailed configuration that follows. Now you'll tune playback and device-specific settings to match your goals. Change data usage per screen to control monthly data and video quality. Choose auto or high depending on your connection. Once done, set autoplay and episode per load preferences so previews and next episode behavior match your viewing style. Then configure download behavior. Select offline quality, storage location, and limits, so downloads don't fill device storage. Make sure subtitles and audio defaults are set per profile to streamline viewing for each user. Finish by testing playback across devices and profiles to confirm quality, audio, and subtitle defaults behave as intended. If a stream stutters or won't start, clear the app cache, restart the device, and, if needed, reinstall the Netflix app to remove corrupted state. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, try changing DNS or enabling router quality of service for streaming. Also verify the account plan's simultaneous stream limit isn't exceeded. These final checks resolve most configuration and play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.